The way I've been making videos over the past couple of years is I've been mixing in these point of view shots. And the way I film them is with this small camera mounted on a special rig that I hold in my mouth. And as you can see, it does a really good job, but one problem is that I can't see exactly what it's pointed at, and it took a lot of practice to get good at using it. So I thought it'd be interesting to rig something up that uses my phone, and with it held the correct distance away from my face, I'd be able to see on the screen exactly what's being filmed. And you can see what that looks like here, and it's pretty good actually. So to build the rig, the first step was to measure the width of my head and figure out how I was going to support the camera. I figured that a baseball cap would be the best thing to start with, and made bars from 1/4-inch plywood that clamp onto the edge of the cap. I did have to mark and cut out for my ears so that it would be a little bit more comfortable to wear, and then I added a cross member to the front that goes up against my forehead. Next, I made the bracket that holds the phone and fastened it to the bars with bolts and wing nuts so that it could be tilted to adjust the angle. Now, I have to confess that I really don't have any intention of using this. The fact is, the rig that I have is a lot more convenient to use, even though I can't exactly see what I'm filming. And also, there's a lot more control, the video quality is a little bit better, and it matches the other camera that I have. So basically, I just made this as a novelty project to see how many views it would get. And here I'm posing for the camera, trying to get a good-looking thumbnail for the video. After all, it's the title and the thumbnail that pulls most viewers in, and not the actual content of the video. However, I will say that if you don't have any other options, this is a way to get amazing quality point of view footage, and you can see exactly what you're getting when you're getting it.
Feelings can sometimes pull one out of the now and put them in the then.
Yeah, I don't...
Live in the now, not in the then.
I don't want to be in the then. I want to be in the now.
Talking about the now can sometimes put one in the then.
I don't want to be in the then. I want to be in the now, not the then. I want to move forward.
Don't move too far forward.
I
You'll
don't want
find
to move
yourself
forward.
right out of the now.
I don't want to move too far forward. Okay.